going on, everybody? My name is Ben, and first off, I want to thank everyone who checked out our latest video, the Vivo 11 Plus with 128 gigs of internal storage. We got some incredible feedback so far. For those of you who weren't lucky enough to be the first in line and get it at the deal price, then no need to worry. Stay tuned here, as I have some great news for you with another chance to get an awesome deal on our new flagship device. So, not everyone's going to need 128 gigs of internal storage and 6 gigs of RAM. Your average person would be happy to get a device with 64 gigs of internal storage and 4 gigs of RAM at under $300. Keeping this in mind, we wanted to make sure the Vivo 11 Plus is more affordable, and we're partnering with Best Buy, who's going to be the exclusive retailer in the US to carry both the Vivo 11 and the Vivo 11 Plus in the 64 gig plus 4 gig RAM variant, which will be displayed live on the Best Buy experience table in every one of their 1,000 stores. A perfect device for people who want a more compact phone with all the same great features. All right, let's see what we have here. Phone. I'm gonna tease you just a little bit. See what else we got. Supercharged, super fast charging brick and cable, of course. Headphones. Oh look, got a blue sticker for your laptop. Cover any logos. Yeah. We got our manual and SIM installation guide with our SIM key. All right, we got a couple cases here. Here's just a nice, nice, clean, clear one. Oh, and here we got the box art case, which is super nice. Oh, and we also have a screen protector included. Very nice. And let's not forget our silica gel. Okay, keeping everything fresh. All right, let me get the stuff out of the way so we can take a look at this phone here. Wow, okay. So the first thing you'll notice is the quality construction and gorgeous liquid metal design. It's built from solid metal. Boom! The Vivo 11 is engineered for maximum display-to-body ratio with its 5.9-inch plus all-screen display. The more compact design fits comfortably in one hand and allows you to reach all points of the screen, something very important to those of us on the go. It's the exact same size as some other popular devices out there you may be familiar with, but I don't want to compare apples with oranges. Moving on. The Vivo 11 packs a powerful punch with the MediaTek P22 chipset, utilizing a 64-bit, 2 GHz octa-core processor with ARM Cortex-A53 architecture built with 12 nanometer technology. This is all you need for today's most demanding features, and also includes AI technology for advanced dual camera photography. Oh, you caught me selfieing with the 16 megapixel selfie camera that uses 4-cell and large pixel technology, meaning you can capture amazing photos in any lighting situation. With dual 16 5 megapixel main cameras, the Vivo 11 allows you to take a stunning photo every single time. We're giving you tons of features and effects at the touch of a button. Portrait mode, beautification features, and so much more. Oh, and you know what? I didn't even have the beautification mode on. Never run out of space again with 32 gigs of internal memory alongside 3 gigs of RAM. You'll have plenty of space for downloading all your favorite music, videos, and pictures. And if you just can't part with all those photos of your pets and blurry food shots, you photo hoarder you, we're giving you an additional built-in micro SD slot for an extra 128 gigs. The Vivo 11 will give you countless hours of entertainment at your fingertips with its 3,000 milliamp battery. Plus, with the quick charger support, you'll have a fully charged phone in no time. Oh, so much juice. Glug, 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 glug! The Vivo 11 will be shipping with Android 8.1, but will be upgradable to Android Pie faster than you can imagine. Retail price for the Vivo 11 will be... Wow! That's a fraction of the price of other smartphones that can do the same thing. Head on over to Best Buy and check out this phone for yourself. You will not be disappointed. And while you're at it, at this price, you can buy a few for the entire family or the YouTube host of your choice without breaking the bank. So, here are the details on the sale and availability for the Vivo 11 and Vivo 11 Plus at Best Buy. The Vivo 11 Plus is available either online or in-store exclusively at Best Buy at just $299. That's a $50 savings from the 128 gig version, which retails at $349. The Vivo 11 Plus will go on sale at Best Buy for just 2 days on September 8th and 9th, where you can save an immediate $50 and get the Vivo 11 Plus with 64 gigs of internal memory at just $249. As for the Sidekick, the Vivo 11 will be available exclusively at Best Buy both online and in stores on October 7th, while the 2-day sale will be on Saturday, October 13th and Sunday, October 14th, where you can save $50 on the Vivo 11 and get it for just... I'm done. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Like, literally liked it. Click like and subscribe and all that stuff. And I will see you at Best Buy.